Good morning, everybody. This is Mike Lung over to Allendale's trading floor. It is Thursday, January 7th, starting the day off with a little bit of recovery from the overnight sell-off we saw here in a lot of these grains. Something to mention here today is the CME margin increase yesterday at the close. Make sure you take a peek here at the side in order to see where margins have increased to. But as of right now, seeing a little bit of mixed markets. On the fundamental side of things, it looks like crude is holding above that $50 handle with cuts in discussion for the Saudi Arabian production. So we'll be watching that, seeing if those cuts do in fact make their way into this market. The dollar continues to fight to keep its head above water near this low 88 level. And we're going to be looking to see how Argentina keeps developing with these potential strikes. Right now, the port inspectors are still on strike, and they will be meeting with their employers today to try and resolve. On the export side of things, we'll be looking for a little bit of a pickup from last week here for corn, with upper end of estimates sitting at that 1200 area, with beans sitting at 1100. So we'll be watching for that at 7:30, seeing how those come out, seeing if this demand is continuing to work its way into our markets. On the livestock side of things, choice and select both down yesterday, with that choice select spread now at 19. Carcass down or up 2 cents at 77.65 here yesterday. On the technical look side of things, we are still in a clear uptrend here, with the corn finding some potential resistance up here near that $5 mark. We did have a weekly open of 487.25 that should be watched here on Friday's close, seeing how close or far away from that open we do in fact finish out the week. But as of right now, you got a lot of people watching for that 2014 high. It will be disputed about whether or not you're looking at a continuous or most active contract. On the most active, that will be 522. On the continuous will be 519.75. So a couple areas to be looking for. Use that as your next potential resistance zone if we can get a clear close above that $5 mark. On the hog side of things, we look like we could have a potential double top here in play, with us stopping just over, moving just over that $72 mark. So as of right now, that is still in play. We did fill up the gap here, still have an unreversed close down below, down here near that 67 area that we could be eyeballing as your next target. But to confirm this, we will need a break and 2 consecutive closes below this $63 area. So definitely something to keep an eye on going forward. We have the Ag Leaders Conference coming up here at the end of the month. Make sure you call Zach at 800-262-7538 to get signed up, as well as our new snapshot that was released for next Tuesday's WASD report. So a lot of great information by Steve Georgie and Rich Nelson to be paying attention to there. Again, call 800-262-7538 to be signed up for that. If you guys have any questions for me, please give me a call directly, 815-578-6177. But today for Allendale, this is Mike Lung. You guys have a great one out there.